Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the best way to boost Facebook followers in Cameroon, and it's very easy. All you need to do is to come to this platform. I'm going to be introducing you guys called grobettacm.com. As you can see right here on the screen, all you need to do is to come to this platform, create an account, and do the same thing I'm going to be showing you guys in this video, right? So how do you create an account in this platform? All you need to do is to come to this sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right there? Tap on it, and it's going to bring you right here. Create a username, and come right here, put your email, and come right here, confirm your password, and confirm your password right here. Click on the sign up right here, and your account is going to be created. So due to because I already have an account, there's no need for me to create a new account. So I just need to log into my account to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's go. So right now I've logged into my account. As you can see right here, when you create your account and log in, is exactly how it's going to be looking like. Right here, the first thing you need to do is to come to this category right here. Can you see this category? Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see Instagram followers, TikTok followers, and all that things, right? But today we are going to be looking for today we are going to be looking for Facebook followers. So we just need to scroll and look for Facebook followers. And right here you can see Facebook followers. Can you see Facebook page followers? What we need to do is for us to actually tap on it. And once you tap on it, the next thing you need to do is for you to come to this service right here. Can you see this service right here? Tap on it and select preferable service. I'm going to be selecting this first one, right? So once you selected the service, the next thing you need to do is for you to read the description right here. They say the minimum you can order is 100, the max you can order is 1 million. And they say the link we need is your page link or your profile link. On the start time, they say that the service starts instantly, but if the order density increases, the start time may vary from 0 to 2 hours. They say the reveal is 30 days, and also they say note, when the service is busy, the speed of starting the process varies. Do not place second order on the same link before your order is completed in the system. Right? So what they actually mean right here is that if your order delays, right, all you need to do is to exercise patience. Do not place another order, is going to deliver. Yeah, so right here is where you post your link. So in case you don't know how to copy your link, let me show you guys how to do that. Let's go to Facebook. So right now I'm on my Facebook. As you can see right here, if you want to copy your link, it's very easy. All you need to do is to come to this three dot right here. Can you see this three dot right here? Tap on it and scroll down right here. You can see your page link. Can you see your page link right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, your link is copied. But let me show you guys, before we place another in this platform, we currently have 925 followers. Can you see 925 followers? We need to mark it because we are going to come back for you to see that these followers are going to add up, right? So let's go back. All you need to do right here is for you to come right here and paste your link and come to this quantity, put the amount of followers you want. In this video I'm going to put only 100. Then the next thing you need to do is for you to come to this submit right here. Can you see the submit right here? Tap on it, and boom, you can see right here they said your order has been received, which means that our order have been received, right? So all we need to do right now basically is for us to exercise patience and these followers to start coming into this page. But before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how do you fund account in this platform is very easy. All you need to do is to come to this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? Tap on it. You just need to tap on it, and by left hand side you can see this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? Tap on it, and you can read the instructions. You kindly make payment to the account number below. You can see the account number, you can see it's Momo, and you can see the name on it. And they say provide proof of payment screenshot with your username so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. Click on this link to get directed to our admin, contact us. So all you need to do is to make payment to this account number. After you made payment, send your proof of payment to the admin. The admin is going to confirm your payment and complete the action. So how then do you send the payment proof? You don't need to either click on this contact us right here or click on this WhatsApp icon right here to take you to the WhatsApp and send your proof of payment and grow better username, and they are going to confirm your payment easy peasy. So this is exactly how to fund account in this platform. So right now all we need to do is to go back to Facebook to confirm if these followers have started coming in. So let's go. All right. So right here, I'm back on Facebook. I remember before we placed an order, we had 925 followers, right? All we need to do is to actually leave Facebook and come back again to confirm. So we don't need to come back, and boom, as you can see right here, you can see we currently have 1,000 of followers, right? You can see from 925 followers to 1,000 followers, easy peasy. You can see it was very easy. So if you want to boost your Facebook followers in Cameroon, all you need to do is to come to this platform, grobettacm.com, create an account, and do exactly the same thing I just did in this video, and you'll be able to get these followers, right? So thank you all for watching this video from beginning to here. You guys are amazing, and see you guys in my next video.